What is up YouTube, Crafting Cars here, happy Tuesday. Now for today's video, I know I said last Tuesday that we were going to be refurbishing some new wheels that I picked up for my Honda CR-V daily driver. Unfortunately, I'm to the point where I'm ready to spray them, but it's been 40 degrees and rainy every day here in Minnesota, so had to hold off on that. Hopefully we can get it done by next Tuesday. But the cold weather did not stop me from going to an awesome car show this Saturday down at Rochester, Minnesota, which is about an hour and a half south of my house. And man, it was an awesome turnout. So my buddy Bryce Sor, who's an admin of Minnesota Honda Club, hosted this meet. It was called the Power Go season opener. I think it was our first, it was at least the first car show I went to this year. And man, what a turnout. So luckily, I had a chance to test out my Sony Xperia Pro I smartphone and threw together a little cinematic edit for you guys. And that's exactly what today's video is gonna be about. So I hope you enjoy.
Upon me, blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me, cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men, many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These pussy niggas put money on my head. Gone, get your refund, motherfucker. I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest, something like Ali in his prime. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocked on the humble. Swing the ox when I rumble. Show your ass with my gun. Gotta tip a nigga, go ahead, lose your head. Turn your back on me, get clapped and lose your leg. I walk around, gun on my waist, chip on my shoulder, top, bust a clip in your face. Posted this beef ain't over. Many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men. Many men wish death upon me. Blood in my eye, dog, and I can't see. I'm trying to be what I'm destined to be, and niggas trying to take my life away. I put a hole in a nigga for fucking with me. My back on the wall, now you gon' see. Better watch how you talk when you talk about me, cause I'll come and take your life away. Many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me. These pussy niggas put money on my head. Gone, get your refund, motherfucker. I ain't dead. I'm the diamond in the dirt that ain't been found. I'm the underground king, and I ain't been crowned. When I rhyme, something special happen every time. I'm the greatest, something like Ali in his prime. I walk the block with the bundles. I've been knocked on the humble. Swing the ox when I rumble, show your ass with my gun. Gotta tip a nigga, go ahead, lose your head. Turn your back on me, get clapped and lose your leg. I walk around, gun on my waist, chip on my shoulder, top, bust a clip in your face. Posted this beef ain't over. Many men wish death on me, Lord. I don't cry no more. Don't look to the sky no more. Have mercy on me, have mercy on my soul. Somewhere my heart turned cold. Have mercy on many men. Many men.
So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know for me, it was definitely worth the drive down there. It's nice to get out of the garage every once in a while. I got to meet a few friends down there, which is always cool. And yeah, I really like checking out everybody else's projects down there. So yeah, definitely 10 out of 10. Good job on the meet, Bryce. And yeah, I think that wraps it up for today. I will see you guys next Tuesday. We'll be catching back up on the Civic and hopefully finishing up these wheels. But until then, have a good day. I'll see you next time.